Imagine earning $300 just by naming a business. Sounds unbelievable. Well, it's real and happening all over the world. Meet Legender 100, who earned $400, and Versa, who won $1,000, all with their creativity. And here's the best part, you can do it too. This opportunity comes from squadhelp.com, a legit platform connecting creative people like you with top brands like Pepsi, Delta, and Deloitte. Trusted by thousands and featured on Inc. 5000, Squad Help makes creativity profitable. Here's how to get started. 1. Go to squadhelp.com and create your free account. 2. Browse active contests for naming businesses, creating taglines, or even designing logos. 3. Use tools like ChatGPT to generate fresh ideas. It's simple, fast, and highly effective. For instance, if a contest needs a name for a South Korean skincare brand, you can use ChatGPT to come up with ideas like Glow Korea or Eterna Skincare. Refine the options, submit your best one, and get paid if you win. Still unsure? Here's proof. Legend 100 earned $42,000 from just 10 contests, and Versa made $49,000 from over 1,500 entries. The competition is tough, but consistency and creativity can bring massive rewards. Don't stop at names. Squad Help also pays for logos, taglines, and even domain names. Use tools like Canva for professional quality designs. Even if you're a beginner, no skills? No problem. With AI tools, anyone can join the game. This is your chance to turn creativity into cash, wherever you're from. Payments are made via PayPal or direct deposit, so it's accessible worldwide. Start small, stay consistent, and make 2025 your year of success. Visit squadhelp.com today, unlock your creative potential, and let your ideas shine. Until next time, stay creative, stay winning.